Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 widgets not working, not showing up. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Ethernet, turn off metered connection. Open Widgets, sign out and sign in again. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Turn off and again turn on widgets. Third method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Widgets, click End Task. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.